Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Rocky Road fudge. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. For richness, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tiny pinch of salt. Don't forget 3 cups of mini marshmallows and 1.5 cups of your favorite chopped nuts, like walnuts. Also, prepare an 8x8-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper. Now, let's create the smooth, decadent fudge base. In a large, microwave-safe bowl, combine your 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, the 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Microwave this mixture for 90 seconds at 70% power. Stir it thoroughly, using the residual heat to melt any remaining chocolate until it's completely smooth and shiny. If needed, microwave for additional 15-second intervals, stirring after each until perfectly melted. With your smooth chocolate base ready, it's time to add the signature Rocky Road components. Take the bowl off the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Let the mixture cool for just a few minutes. This is crucial to prevent the marshmallows from completely melting. Now, gently fold in your 3 cups of chilled mini marshmallows and 1.5 cups of chopped walnuts. Mix quickly, but carefully, to ensure everything is well distributed throughout the rich fudge. The final steps are simple for perfect Rocky Road fudge. Pour the entire mixture into your prepared 8x8-inch baking pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Now, place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 4 hours, allowing the fudge to firm up completely. Once fully set, lift the fudge out using the parchment paper and cut it into small, bite-sized squares. You can store any leftover fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.